Avoiding the pitfalls. Mastering subject and object pronouns. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. In today's video, we're going to dive deeper into the world of subject and object pronouns, focusing specifically on the common mistakes and how to avoid them. By the end of this video, you will not only understand these concepts better, but you will also become more proficient and confident in using these pronouns in your day-to-day English. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the common mistakes, let's quickly recap. Subject pronouns include words like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they usually come before the verb in a sentence. On the other hand, object pronouns such as me, you, him, her, it, us, and them typically follow the verb. Understanding this distinction is key to using these pronouns correctly. Let's move on to some common mistakes and tips on how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Confusing subject and object pronouns. One of the most common errors is interchanging subject and object pronouns. For instance, you might say, her and me went to the park, instead of the correct sentence, she and I went to the park. To avoid this, remember that the subject pronoun is the doer of the action, while the object pronoun receives the action. Mistake 2. Incorrect pronoun order. Another frequent error is misplacing pronouns in a sentence. Saying, me and my friends are going for a hike, is incorrect. Instead, you should say, my friends and I are going for a hike. The rule of thumb is to put the other person before I or me. Mistake 3. Using I instead of me after prepositions. A common mistake is using I instead of me after prepositions. Saying, the gift is for you and I, is incorrect. It should be, the gift is for you and me. The pronoun me should be used after prepositions like for, to, with, etc. Now that we have explored common mistakes and ways to avoid them, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. We have prepared some exercises for you to test your understanding and enhance your skills. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun, subject or object. Blank, you, I, are planning to watch a movie tonight. My brother gave, blank, I, me, his old bicycle. Blank, they, them, are playing in the park. Try to solve these and check your understanding. That's all for today's lesson, folks. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of common mistakes with subject and object pronouns, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't forget to practice these rules as often as you can. Until next time, keep learning, and happy studying.